Hello everybody, how are you doing? Let's continue our modeling JavaScript. In this session, let's take a look at class patterns. So we are going to take a look at functional class pattern and a factory class pattern and a prototype-based classes and prototype-based inheritance for classes. So let's take a look at the functional class pattern first. So functional class pattern, as the name suggests, is going to use a function to create a class. So we have this function user. Inside we have this dot method. Then we can create an object like this. Then we can call the method like this. So for this part, we create the function class, and inside we define another function. This function cannot be accessed through this user. You can use this dot the method name to create a public method through the function body. You can access that method through this object. Let's take a look at function class pattern. So function class pattern, the main difference is you are going to return an object with the methods. So outside, when you create this object, you can access that method. You also can define a function within the function body, but at the same as here, you cannot access the function outside through this object. This one won't work. Let's take a look at prototype-based classes. We have this function here. We have two fields, name and birthday. We use the user.prototype to create a method onto this prototype. We can create another method here. Then we can access that method through the object outside when we create the object. We also can access this method, but because it has the underscore, by writing a method name or property name with underscore, you don't want to access it through the object. You want it remain hidden. Let's take a look at this part. The prototype-based inheritance for classes. We have this function animal, and we have this part to add on this eat method onto this animal prototype. Then we have this rabbit function here. Then we are going to define a jump method onto this rabbit prototype. And we use the rabbit.prototype.proto equal the animals.prototype. We inherit this rabbit object from this animal. So the rabbit object will have the method eat from the animal prototype. Also has the method jump from the rabbit prototype. That's all for this session. Thanks for watching. See you next time.